welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Our project title is Social Media App like Instagram. Abstract of our project. The Instagram clone app is a mobile application developed as a college project that inspired by the popular social media platform Instagram. This project aims to replicate the core features and functionalities of Instagram, offering an opportunity for students to gain the hands-on experience in mobile app development, user interface designs, and backend services. By creating the Instagram clone, this college and project aims to provide the students with the practical experience in the full software development lifecycle, from ideation to implementation. It offers a platform for learning mobile app development, user experience designs, and the importance of data security and user privacy. Flowchart of our diagram project. First of all, user register the our using email ID, mobile number, user email ID, passwords, username, and your name. Then login. If login as a user, register mail ID and the password. Then you post of all other users and our users. List of all the posters are displayed here. Then if you like the post means click like button or double tap the images to like the images and comment to the post, and if you comment to the post and the deleting the post only your post only you can be deleted. Then search the users of your famous one or your friends. Then you see your profiles, how many posts you uploaded, then how many followers you have, then how many followers you have, all the details are there. Then view profile. Our view profile means you see your friends profiles, how many followers are they have, and how many posters the post you have that like. Then log out. This is our project Instagram, the social media. There's a username and password. Then if you want to sign up means just click the sign up, then click the image of profile. It's go to anything. If I click that means it's username Rajesh Rajesh at gmail.com. Password is 123456 Rajesh. This is Rajesh. Then click sign up. Then Instagram is open. Then this is the home screen of our page. Then this is our profile. In this place we have the first see all the users upload the items. This is our profile Rajesh. Our description bio is Rajesh. Then post how many posts, how many followers, how many following, all those are seeing. We following only one person. Then if you want to add a post means just click take a photo from gallery, anything. I choose the photo from gallery. I upload the our profile icon and write the caption of the image. Rajesh first image. Then I put the post on the post. Posted successfully. Then click the see here one post there. Here is one images also. Here in Instagram pages, here Rajesh. In this section, if your profile only, you have access to delete the function. See here, another all others are don't, it's not showing that icons. Then if you want to see the Shinchan profile, then click the Shinchan firewalled by the bio. Then I also posting one, following one. If you want to follow, then click the follow button. Then clicking the our followings are two. If you want to James, we are already following this as icons, so font follow, so we can't follow. Then search, if you want to search the icon means, if example chin enter Shinchan CHIN only I entered, that hopefully no me is showing here. Real time updation, follow and follow. Then click sign out. Thank you.